Xact Wire EDM was founded to provide wire EDM machining services to a wide variety of industries, and we've been very focused on that since our founding in 1984, which is very unique. Most companies kind of diverge into other fields and get into water jet machining or laser or milling or whatever, but we're very, very focused on just the wire EDM process. The big advantage to using EDM on thermoforming tools is that you can hold tight tolerances even over large parts. We do tools with 0.2 of a thousandths cutting clearance that are 20 inches long or more than that even, which would be almost impossible to do with any other machining method.
Benefits of wire EDM for thermoforming fall in line with the precision and the repeatability of the process, and we have exceptional surface finishes. We can cut hard materials, so we have a punch and a die that's heat treated to a Rockwell of say 64 depending on the material type. Traditional machining is very difficult or impossible sometimes to machine that. With wire EDM, we machine it after it's been heat treated, impart very little stress on the part while we're cutting it, and give it a very precise and very fine finish. It complements the necessity of the small trim clearances with a lot of the match metal tooling today. Dytech is Xact Wire's first customer, and Dytech is our tool builder of choice for match metal trim tools.
So they came to us because we were able to meet that need. We have the machines capable of machining the die sets. We have the equipment in place for grinding, the equipment in place for assembly too. I'm in communication with Dave on a daily basis. If there's a problem, we all work together to work it out. We try to respond as quick as we can to customers' needs. We try to problem solve. We try to anticipate problems before we even machine anything. We'll make suggestions to improve something. If there's a better way to machine something, that's all things that we look at before we even start.
We share each other's expertise to produce a better product, higher quality, faster delivery for a good price. When Xact Wire builds a tool, our goal is to ultimately satisfy the customer with the best tool for the money and relatively short lead times. We have very high capacity here at Xact Wire, where a lot of companies might have 1 or 2 wire EDM machines. We are kind of blessed with 50.
Somebody should try us, have a tool built, and then see the quality of the parts that they get off that tool and compare that to what they're getting. Because I think the tolerances that we hold and the clearances that we hold and the assembly process makes a very consistent tool. And I think the quality of the parts coming off the die are going to be far superior to what you get from someplace else.